Ooh, that snow is a blowing in Oklahoma. Ooh-wee, it's snowing so much. Look at those snow drifts. My little dog didn't even know where to go. He just went outside and couldn't find a place to poop. He just did it right there. Woo! Let it snow, let it snow.